we are using ammeter for measurement of, see the page chapter number 3 or 98 and 99. So for measurement of current, we are using ammeter. For measurement of voltage, we are using voltmeter, power, wattmeter, energy meter, resistance, ohm meter. So most of the measuring instrument are electric current. What is the what? Magnetic effect of the electric current. Okay. So most of the method. Okay. So magnetic effect, electric current, electromagnetic circuit, chemical effect, heating effect, electromagnetic effect. Okay. These are knowing. But now here, what are the required? Most of the meter have the following arrangement. One we are talking the meter. तराजू का तराजू तराजू weight. तो उसमें क्या रहता है? There two pans are there. Two pans are there, and one vertical rod is there. Two pans are there. One vertical rod there, and one horizontal rod is there, and vertical rod is there, and two pans are there. In one band we are putting the weight, and other band we are putting the what particular articles, and then we're labeling. Then we'll say it is 1 kg, it is 2 kg, it is 3 kg. Like this way, what are the essential requirement? What requirement for the measuring instrument? What are the essential requirement for the measuring instrument? There should be a deflecting system should be there. So this system is there. From there, the meter will deflect, show the reading. Then controlling system is there. So what deflection is there? That deflection should be controlled by some force. That is what controlling system should be there. And after deflecting and after controlling, it should remain steady. That is part of the damping system is there. Means what are the three essential requirements for the measuring instrument? Deflecting system, controlling system, and damping system. What are the three things are there? Deflecting system, control system, and damping system. Okay. As per the, now we see what is the deflecting system. What is the deflecting system? So deflecting system is what? There is some coil is there. In that coil, if you pass the current, coil magnetic force will produce, and that coil is connected to spindle. Okay, this when spindle move, then the arm will pointer will move, and pointer will show the reading of the show the amount of the current by giving the reading. Okay, so deflecting system. This is the basic system of the meter. Okay, require the following parts. What are the following parts? What is the conductor in the form of coil? Conductor in the form of coil, and some iron part, spindle and pointer. Conductor in the form of coil, some iron parts, spindle and pointer, etc. When the current passes through the coil, in deflecting system there is a coil is there. There is a coil is there. So what current we have to measure? That current should passes through that coil. So when the current passes through the coil, due to the effect of the current, okay, the iron part and the spindle are subjected to motion. Whatever when current passes the coil, whatever magnetic force will produce, and the iron part, what that is connected to coil, will subject to motion. And due to the force, now due to the movement, the spindle and pointer also move. Okay, what happened? There is a what coil is there, iron part. When we give the supply, the coil produces the magnetic. Deflecting system will move, and counter will move, and the reading will up. So second is what a controlling system is there. What is the what a deflecting system? This is the basic system of the meter, which requires the following parts. One is the conductor in the form of coil. Number 2, iron parts. Number 3, spindle. Number 4, pointer. Okay. So when current passes to the coil, due to the effect of the current, iron parts and the spindle are subjected to motion due to force, and due to the movement of the spindle, the pointer indicates over the dial. Due to movement of the spindle, when iron parts move, then the spindle move. When the spindle move, the pointer move. When the pointer move over the dial, then it will show the reading. Understand? Then second system is controlling system is there. controlling system is there. One thing they have control. The deflecting system is there. Equal to the controlling force. Then at that state, moving system starts to move. The deflect controlling force equal to deflecting force. When controlling force that will stop, then pointer will start to move. But जब सप्लाई देते हैं आपने मीटर रीडिंग लिया, जब मेजर करंट, तो करंट ऐसा ऐसा एमीटर से घूमेगा. वो स्टॉप कब होगा? जब दोनों फोर्स ऐसा. Understand? First it will move like this, फटाफट ऐसा मूव, एक आएगा, उसके बाद ऐसा रुक जाएगा. So it will stop when deflecting force equal to controlling force. तो उसको टाइम लगता है. Controlling force is in the form of spring. Is in the form of spring. जब वो क्लॉक जो स्प्रिंग एंटी उसका अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में ट्विस्ट होती है. जब कंट्रोलिंग जब उसको मिलता है, उसका अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में स्प्रिंग रिवाइंड होती है. तो उसको रिवाइंड होता है, तो रिवाइंड होने में टाइम लगता है. तब वो देन विल गेट द स्टेडी मोशन. राइट? सो डिफ्लेक्टिंग what about the following are the types of controlling force. What are the types of controlling force? Type controlling spring control force. We are using spring, that is called spring control force. Okay, spring control. And second is our gravity control. Scale is there, okay. And then what? Spindle is there. Spindle is there. And then ऐसा फोर्स होता है, स्प्रिंग एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में ऑन होती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्प्रिंग कंट्रोल सिस्टम. स्प्रिंग कंट्रोल सिस्टम, instead of spring we are using the weight, gravity weight. Okay, so using controlling weight, this is a spring control. This is what spring control. Gravity control क्या है? Gravity control will, we are putting the what weight? We are putting the weight. Okay. So instead of we are putting the what weight? Okay. You wanna to put it there. Then you want gravity control weight. So gravity control weight. Have to do for control weight. Control gravity control weight. Okay. This is our pointer here. Okay. This is also pointer. Here we are using what? Sorry, here we are using what? Control rate. That's why it's the gravity control rate. So due to the deflecting force, the spindle starts rotating. But at this, the deflecting force होता है, the spindle में होता है. But at the same time, due to deflecting force, the spindle starts rotating. But at the same time, the spring gets wound. The spring gets wound and produces the force in opposite direction. जब deflector deflect होता है, तो spring wound होती है and it produces the force. It is opposite to what? Deflecting force. Opposite to what? Deflecting force. So, or when the spindle starts rotating, at the same time, gravity weight also lifted. इसमें जब spindle move होता है, the gravity weights also lifted. Gravity weight also lifted, and it will controls the moment of the spindle. Understand? Right? So, it will control the moment of this gravitational force are opposite to the deflecting force. Gravitational force opposite to the deflecting force, and here spring opposite deflecting force. Is right? So these are the two types of controlling system: a gravity controlling system and the spring control system. Deflecting system is what? It works on the magnetic effect. They say whenever current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field, the torque is produced. अगर किसी magnetic field के अंदर एक magnet है, उसके अंदर हमने कुछ coil को रखा, and if you give the current to that, some magnetic field is there, and in that magnetic field, if I put the current, in magnetic field, if I put the coil and I give the current that coil, this coil will move. Then what happened? The coil will move. When the coil will move, that is called deflecting force. And when the coil moves, then gravity system or spring will produce the what? Controlling system. And then we'll get it. When the coil move, it will free to जैसे pendulum जैसा free move हो जाएगा coil. So we can't determine that current 2 एम्पियर के 1 एम्पियर ऐसा मूव होता रहेगा. इसको कंट्रोल करके डिफ्लेक्टिंग फोर्स होता है. अच्छा, जैसे आप हम तराजू की तरफ रखते हैं, वो तराजू नीचे हो जाता है, उसके ऊपर हम सामान डालते हैं, तभी लेवल होता है. बाद में क्या करता है, पानी थोड़ा थोड़ा निकालता है, फिर डालता है, निकालता है, डालता है, वो लेवल पे आता है ना. बराबर कि नहीं? हाँ, जैसे अपनी तराजू रखा, उस पर पलटा डाला, उसके ऊपर क्या करेगा, वो सामान डालेगा, धीरे धीरे सामान डालेगा, तो जब इक्वल 19-20 आगे पीछे डालेगा, तब बराबर लेवल होता है कि नहीं. उसी प्रकार से इसमें भी है. सो कंट्रोलिंग फोर्स इज द what amount of weight, what जो हम फल सब्जी लेते हैं, that is what controlling force. और जो 1 किलो का जो बट्टा है, that is what deflecting force. Is right? उसके बाद जो होता है, उसको जो कांटा आगे पीछे होता है, थोड़ा निकालता है, फिर डालता है, that is what damping system will study now. Okay, you get my point or not? Hello. After that, damping system is, so it is used to give the study. It is used to give the exact reading. It is used to the exact reading or to stop the oscillation of the pointer. It is used to stop it will oscillate on the axis. So for to stop इसको क्या करते हैं हम लोग, damping system use कर रहे हैं. The third requirement is a damping system. First is one deflecting system. Second is a control system. Damping system. is okay. The third requirement is the damping system explained in the A and B. So where the controlling force is equal to deflecting force, at that stage, the moving system should become stable. And controlling system is equal to deflecting system. At that time, moving system becomes stable. Due to the deflecting force at the stage, the moving system should become stable. But this does not have initially a moment of inertia because the inertia of the moving coil, it is not happened suddenly because it is what a inertia of the moving part. Okay, जैसे हम तुरंत गाड़ी को ब्रेक आगे पीछे जाते हैं ऐसे ऐसा ऐसा of the study. It is moment of inertia. It does not become steady at instant. System, this damping system oscillates momently and takes the fine time to become system. Okay. So damping system creates a third force. Damping system creates a third force that is called damping force, which reduces oscillation. Damping system creates the third that is for damping force, which reduces the oscillation and bring the system rest quickly. But underline the damping system is to bring the pointer steady. Okay, understand? So there are two types of damping. There are the two types. First is types of damping. First is air friction damping. Second is what eddy the fluid friction damping, and third is what eddy current damping. What is the damping? Damping is the force. Damping is the force acceleration and bring movement at the rest quickly. It reduces the oscillation, bring the movement at rest quickly. Now we see the what are the damping system. Damping system. Okay. Okay. The first is what air friction damping. Second is what eddy current is what uh, first is the air friction, second fluid friction, third is what eddy current damping. So first we'll say air friction damping. Number one, friction. We are using the uh, we are using the what air to as a force for to get the oscillation rest and steady. That is called air friction damping. So what is the resistance diagram? अब तो थोड़ा diagram air chamber, and this is what the system. Okay, understand? So now this is whatever this spring is there. The one arm is there. The arm is connected to the what? One arm to the piston, and that piston passes to the air chamber. That is passes to air chamber. तो उससे क्या उसको ब्रेक मिलता है. Okay, a vacuum piston होता है. So the deflecting system and control system come in play. The move in the air chamber. That will what? Move in the, that it will do the control and deflecting force. The deflecting system come in play, and at that and with the help of okay, understand? Friction damping. But diagram Understand? What the point? Now in this system, the rectangular bands, this is the rectangular one band, not a rectangle, it's a rectangle one. Rectangle. Uh, they move in the chamber of the fluid. This is the fluid here, liquid is here. Move in the chamber of the fluid. When the moving of the fluid produces, okay, the way we just move about when the fluid produces the oppositions due to the bands movement and the stemma. ये जो ना movement of the fluid, जब ये जब deflecting force work होगा, controlling force work होगा, then what this fluid will opposite and interactively. So when the moving the fluid produces the opposition to the band movement and thus damping force is produced due to the fluid friction. Fluid friction. Okay. Damping produces due to what? Fluid friction. Okay. So which helps in the system quickly at rest. Okay. Understand? The first is what? मैं इसको मिटा देता हूँ एडी करंट डैम्पिंग. ओके. एडी करंट डैम्पिंग. Now we come to what? Eddy current damping. Eddy current damping क्या होता है? Eddy current damping. Okay. So what happens? When मैंने बताया ना, when the coil rotates in the magnetic field, when coil, then one kind of force is produces, that is called eddy current force. Okay. एक magnetic field है, उस magnetic field के अंदर हमने coil को rotate करेंगे. When what happens? When conductor cuts the magnetic lines of flux, the eddy current produces in that conductor. Okay. जैसे कि एक कंडक्टर वो मूव हो रहा है, कंडक्टर मूव हो रहा है, किसके अंदर? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर मूव हो रहा है. तो दैट व्हेन मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कट बाय द कंडक्टर, एडी करंट प्रोसेस. ओके. ऑन दैट व्हिच इट इज वर्किंग, दैट इज एडी करंट. सो इसका डायग्राम निकाल लेते हैं और हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं एडी करंट. ओके. सो a circular aluminum disc is mounted on the spindle. Aluminum disc mounted on the spindle, and when the spindle moves, in the disc also moves, and the disc when moving cuts the magnetic field damping magnet. Due to cut of this magnetic field, EMF produces in the disc, and then EMF circulate, that this EMF creates a eddy current. EMF क्या होगा? And this EMF, the eddy current in the disc, and the field of the disc current is such a way that it alters the motion of the disc and helps the system to rest quickly. So I'm explain that now. Okay. Sort of friend. So this is the damping magnet is there. Suppose this is our constant is there. बाहर का पोर्शन है, डिफ्लेक्ट और डायल इज देयर, मीटर का स्केल है, राइट? ऐसा. आफ्टर दैट, ओके, We are having one damping system is there, okay? Controlling system of either. Now, here's one at the center. One spindle is there. Okay. This is the damping magnet. More that will this force will produce. It is due to that the spindle come to rest quickly and we can get that is called eddy current damping. Is that right? So what is given that a circular aluminum disc. This is the circular aluminum disc. This is the aluminum disc. Okay, aluminum disc. Okay, circular aluminum disc. What happened? Is mounted on the spindle. Correct. This is mounted on the spindle. Aluminum disc mounted on the spindle. Correct. And the disc while moving. Okay. When the spindle moves, the disc also moves. When the spindle moves, like a spindle is a spindle. When the spindle moves, तब क्या होगा? Disc move, pointer move. When spindle, the disc will move in the what? Damping magnet. Is move in the what? Damping magnet. There is to damping magnet. Okay, understand? When the what happened? When the spindle moves, the disc moves. Also moves. The disc while moving cuts. When disc moves, it cuts the magnetic field. It cuts the what? Magnetic field of the damping magnet. It cuts the what? Magnetic field of the damping magnet. Due to cut of the away, then due to this cutting of the magnetic field, EMF is produced. EMF is produced in the disc. इसमें क्या होगा? EMF क्या होगा? And what happened? And the EMF circulates current. EMF देखो, what happened? When by deflecting force, this spindle moves. When the spindle moves, the pointer moves, and the disc, aluminum disc. When the aluminum disc move in the what? Damping magnet. It cuts the magnetic lines of force. It cuts magnetic lines of force. And what happened? AD EMF produced, and due to the EMF, what happened? Eddy current flow. Understand? And it produces the what? What happened? Produces the disc. The EMF produced in the disc, and the EMF circulates the eddy current in the disc, and the effect of this current, the effect of this current in such a way that it will oppose the motion of the disc. It will oppose the motion of the disc and helps the bringing the system to rest quickly. Okay, the eddy current होगा that will what opposes the motion of the disc and it will comes to rest quickly. Is it समझ में आया? So this is the working of the current damping. Okay, so ध्यान से पढ़ो. So what we understand by this damping? Damping is a system that controls the deflecting and controlling force, so that the pointer will come at rest very quickly. That is called damping force. Is it right? Understand? If you have any doubt? So what are the requirement of the measuring instrument? Requirement is what? Controlling force, the deflecting force, controlling force, the two controlling force, spring control, and this is gravity control. Then three types of damping force is first what air friction damping, then fluid friction damping, and the third is the what? AD current damping. By using this all this system, the what happened electrical instrument is constructed. Okay. by इन सब का चीज का उपयोग हम करते हैं, क्या करते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिक मेजर इंस्ट्रूमेंट में करते हैं, राइट? तो एमीटर हो, वोल्ट मीटर हो, वैट मीटर हो, उसमें क्या रहेगा? डैम्पिंग सिस्टम, डिफ्लेक्टिंग सिस्टम रहेगा, कंट्रोलिंग सिस्टम। अभी अभी बोले कंट्रोलिंग सिस्टम तो कोई आइदर स्प्रिंग कंट्रोल यूज करेंगे या तो ग्रेविटी कंट्रोल यूज करेंगे। डैम्पिंग में से तीन कोई भी एक सिस्टम यूज करेंगे, राइट? अंडरस्टैंड? एज पर द कंडीशन। ओके, हेलो, हु आर देयर? So any doubt regarding this? What is the doubt regarding your paper, today's paper? Speak something.
No doubts.
Doubts.
Paper was very easy. I am paper में आज का पेपर का फिलिप सब कुछ the paper with my pocket. So first is what? Dash is used for internal threading. क्या internal threading के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? बताओ. What is your answer?
Tap.
Tap, correct. Most of the student dies लिखे हैं. For holding the circular job, dash is used. Bench wise, pipe wise or leg wise?
Pipe.
Correct. For cutting the curved surface, dash is used. Tenon saw, compass saw, or rim saw?
Compass.
Very good, compass. In carpentry shop, dash chisel is used for delicate work. Bevel edge, firmer or mortise?
Bevel edge.
Bevel edge. Correct, correct. कौन स्वास्तिक? What is your name?
Swastik, sir.
Okay, very good. You're done very nicely. Then बाकी सबको आपको इजीली सब आता है. 4 मार्क के क्वेश्चन थे, मैंने सब ऑलरेडी आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? निकला स्टेयरकेस वायरिंग का 2 लैम्प कंट्रोल बाय 2 स्विच, staircase wiring. Okay, what are the different types of joints of wire? What are the uses of switch? Different types switch. What are different types of wire? VIR wire, CTS wire, PVC wire, weatherproof wire, flexible wire. These are the types of the wires. Okay, in all the paper was very easy. Okay, then understood? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is complete first term. अभी second term का portion अभी हम लोग चालू कर रहे हैं, right? The first chapter is what? Electrical measuring instrument. उसमें हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा? What are the requirement of measuring instrument? Affecting torque, controlling torque, damping torque. What are the controlling spring control and gravity control? What is the damping control? Air friction damping, fluid friction damping, and the AD current damping. These are the minimum or essential requirement of instrument. Now will come there are different types of instrument. So see that there are different types of instrument. So first there are the two types of supply we are having. First is the alternating current, and second is what that again afterward. Alternate that you in our house, what is the current we are using? That is what AC current or alternating current. But the current given by the generator, current by the cell or battery, it is a direct current. This is what a cell or battery में जो current आता है उसको DC current होता है. So for measuring that current, we need a different instrument. For measuring the alternating current, we need a different instrument. But some instrument are there that is used for both AC and AC as well as DC. So what instrument? What type of instrument is there? They are using AC. What are the DC? What are different types of instrument we will study? The first instrument is the moving iron instrument. First is what a moving iron instrument. That's the main specialty of the instrument is that it can be used for AC voltage and AC current. AC का voltage measure करना है, AC का current करना है. For measurement of current, we are using the ammeter. For measurement of voltage, we are using voltmeter. But of current, AC current, we are using the iron instrument. For measurement of AC voltage is the moving iron instrument. The specialty of the instrument that it is used for the AC as well as DC. AC भी करंट मेजर कर सकते हैं और DC करंट मेजर कर सकते हैं, but it is not so accurate. इसका रीडिंग है exactly नहीं आता है. Exactly लिखने के है, if you measure the DC current, so we got the permanent magnet moving coil instrument. We'll see after that. The first of all is the instrument moving iron ammeter and the voltmeter. What it is used to measure the current. What is voltmeter? It is used to measure the voltage. Ammeter is in series with the supply and load. See that. One more thing. आपने practical किया है ना अभी? So measurement of current, measurement of voltage. सब पता है सर ने? When you measuring the current, the one is using the ammeter is connected in series. For measuring voltage, you use the voltmeter. Suppose you have this load is there. Suppose this load is there. A load है. I don't know load. Many kind of load. Load मुझे see that. So this is your supply is there. This switch is there. Okay. So I connect ammeter here, and that will again go to the what? Many lamps were connected in parallel. Here is the lamp. The lamp is this is the load. Lamp is what load? It can be any kind. It may be lamp. It may be what fan. It may be what iron. It may be mixer. Load. So for measurement of this ammeter will show the what reading in ampere. Reading what? And so this is ampere 0 to 5 ampere. So now when you switch on, the current will passes from here. This will deflect into the reading. Means the ammeter is connected in series with the supply and load. Means one end of wire will go to the one end of supply wire, will go to the one end of ammeter. Another end of ammeter will go to the load. Another end of load again come to the neutral point. This circuit from here goes to here. If break here, suppose the filament of the lamp is break, circuit will not complete. Okay, understand? The lamp will not grow. After blowing the lamp, you see the reading of the meter. It will show the what 0.1, 0.0.8. As the load is there, 200, 300 watt, 400 watt, 500 watt, the current goes on increases, right? So this is the method to measure the current. Understand? Suppose if I ask to measure the voltage, what we'll do? We will connect the what instead of ammeter, I will put the what voltmeter, but voltmeter connected what parallel to the circuit. Means one end of wire will go to the voltmeter. From voltmeter again it will go to the what lamp. From lamp to the voltmeter. From voltmeter again come to the what? It is what parallel. So this is the measurement of ammeter and voltmeter. Is right? So it is show the diagram of measurement of current voltage of the certain load. So what we will do? So इधर क्या करेंगे दिखाएंगे, इधर भी दिखा दे ammeter दिखा देंगे. Okay, ammeter voltmeter. So power P equals to what? V into I. So voltmeter reading लो, इसका reading लो, power, right? So for that, so a ammeter voltmeter है. There are the two types of ammeter voltmeter: a moving iron and the permanent magnet moving iron. In this moving iron, there are two types of moving instrument: moving iron ammeter, moving iron instrument, moving iron ammeter and voltmeter. There are two types: attraction type moving iron instrument, and second is what a repulsion type. What is what attraction type? Attraction type moving iron. Second is what a repulsion type. Okay. Here you are using the force of attraction. Here is the principle of attractive force. Here is the what repulsion force. अलग-अलग working principle and construction है. Okay. We will see the next period. What is the word? Attraction moving iron instrument. And second is what a permanent magnet. Second is what a permanent PMC. That means what? Permanent It is used for the AC and DC current, current and voltage, current and voltage. It is a permanent magnet, moving coil instrument. It is one kind of galvanometer. आपने पढ़ा होगा स्टैंडर्ड 11th में. Permanent magnet moving coil instrument. It is used for only DC. Used for only DC voltage and current. एग्जाम में पूछते हैं. Moving iron is for the AC and DC. And permanent magnet is for the only DC quantity, not AC. इधर पूछेंगे. Moving iron instrument used for the AC and DC. And permanent magnet is for the only DC quantity. Okay. AC and DC के लिए क्या होता है? Moving iron. And permanent PMMC. Permanent magnet का instrument is for the only DC measurement. Is that right? Understand? समझ में आया? So इसके बारे में डायग्राम और सब डिटेल नेक्स्ट पीरियड में पढ़ेंगे. Is that right? Permanent magnet moving coil instrument, and there are two types of attraction type and repulsion type. Sorry, attraction type moving iron instrument and repulsion type moving iron instrument and permanent magnet. There is only one type, permanent magnet moving iron instrument. Okay. After that, we'll see the construction of wattmeter. We'll see the construction of wattmeter. Wattmeter used to measure the power. Okay. Ammeter is to measure the current. Voltmeter is to measure the voltage. Energy meter is used to measure the energy. So we'll see Megger. It is used to measure the insulation resistance. Multimeter and current transformer and potential transformer. These are the meter. So we will continue in the next period. Means day after tomorrow. We have the period on the Tuesday, Wednesday. आपको प्रैक्टिकल में आना है कल. आपको सब कल आपका है फिजिकल एजुकेशन का पेपर है. इज राइट? आपको सिलेबस मिला है से पढ़ाई करने का. आपको फिजिकल एजुकेशन का बस एक ही चैप्टर है. और असाइनमेंट जिन्होंने दिया है तो ठीक, नहीं दिया है वो भी कल लेके आओ. ओके. एंड गिव इट टू योर टीचर. ओके. एनी डाउट?
Sir,
हेलो. यस.
could you tell
ईएम पेपर 2 का कोर्स ईएम हो गया. पेपर 2 अभी
practical EM?
हाँ, प्रैक्टिकल में सर ने जो प्रैक्टिकल कराया है ना, मेजरमेंट ऑफ करंट, वोल्टेज एंड मेजरमेंट ऑफ अननोन रेजिस्टेंस, जो 3-4 प्रैक्टिकल कराया है ना, एमीटर वोल्टमीटर कनेक्ट किया. हेलो.
Yes, sir. And paper 1?
पेपर 1 में देखो सीरीज सर्किट, 2 lamp in series controlled by 1 switch, 2 lamp in parallel controlled by 1 switch. Then after you studied the 1 lamp controlled by 1 switch, then staircase, then draw the symbols, write the safety precaution, explain the any 5 hand tools. It's a precaution and construction जो है ना, draw diagram and write the precaution. कोई भी 5 hand tools के, 3 hand tools के, अंडरस्टैंड? ये सब पेपर आएंगे. इसमें क्या आएगा? तो देखो 1 प्रैक्टिस करने का, 2 लैम्प इन दिस एंड राइट द 10 सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन, या 2 लैम्प्स एंड पैरेलल, राइट द ड्रॉ डायग्राम ऑफ एनी 3 हैंड टूल्स. ऐसे 2 क्वेश्चन आएंगे मिक्स करके. इज राइट? आपने जो प्रैक्टिकल पढ़े बताया उसकी आप पढ़ाई करो. उसमें राइट द एम, say you have to write the aim, then you have to write the what tools material require, you have to write the tools, you have to write the material require, you have to write the tools, you draw the diagram, you then make observation table, then write the procedure, precaution, जो भी जर्नल में लिखा है वो सब उसी फॉर्मेट में आपको प्रैक्टिकल का भी लिखना है. लिखना भी है और परफॉर्म भी करना है. इज राइट? जो डायग्राम ड्रॉ करोगे उसके हिसाब से सर्किट में वायर कनेक्ट करने के, लैम्प होल्डर कनेक्ट करके दिखाना है. जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट और राइटिंग वर्क, जिसमें टूल्स, मटेरियल जो कुछ है वो सब आपको लिख के लिखना है. राइट? समझ में?
Yes, sir.
ओके. डोंट टेक एनी टेंशन. ओके. समझ में आया? आज कितना स्टूडेंट्स आर टुडे देयर? पहले 11 थे, अभी 9 आ गए। मैं सब अटेंडेंस बताऊंगा। हेलो, आई विल शो द ऑल अटेंडेंस टू आलोक सर, टेल अदर्स टू अटेंड। अदरवाइज बाद में आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं है पोर्शन, देन यू आस्किंग मी ये क्या है वो क्या है। ओके, चलो, if in lecture you understood the topic and we can write easily in exam. Understand? चलो, okay, bye, have a good day.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.